All right, in this video today, we are going to talk about the price of Doge and when it's going to break higher. If you're watching Dogecoin, I think I've got some good news for you if you want it to go up. But before we take a look at that, I'm going to look at the technical analysis on TradingView for Dogecoin. TradingView is one of my favorite tools I use daily. On the 1 day, we have a buy. Fantastic. Oscillators are showing sell. Moving averages are showing strong buy. So everything's looking good there. On the week, again, a buy summary. Oscillators are neutral. Moving average is a strong buy. And on the monthly, a buy. Oscillators are neutral. Moving averages are a strong buy as well. All right, let's take a look at what I am seeing on Doge. If we zoom out, and you have been paying attention to the crypto market in general, and Doge specifically, you know it's had a fantastic run up, almost doubling since October. Right about here is when the run up started. It had a magnificent run up in October, November. We had a good week the first week of December across all of crypto. And then lately, most crypto has suffered a bit of a pullback, completely natural. Nothing to be worried about at all. You would expect some kind of pullback after a magnificent and intense rise upwards. And the good thing you've seen is that as price has fallen, it has met these resistance levels that were broken through and have now turned into support, and price was eaten up once it went down here. Buyers jumped in and sent the price higher, and that's where we're sitting right now. We're still above this trend line in Doge. If you just want to draw a loose trend line on the weekly, a lot of other coins have already broken their trend line downwards, but that might be because they experienced a little bit more of an intense run up than Doge did. Doge has doubled. I've seen some coins like Solana has gone 3, 4, 5 times up, and it will not stop. This coin, I guess it's going about 4 times up. Nope, that's since November. Let's go back to October. Is it 21? It's about 113. Yeah, it's gone 4 and 5 times up. So Doge has lagged a little bit over the last part of December, but no more than any other major coin. Bitcoin had its own downward channel. Oh, I like to see that. Getting back up close to around 44,000. ADA had its own downward channel. And it is, ADA, Cardano kind of looks like Doge to me. And that's what I want to talk about is if I go to the daily on Doge, here was the downward channel, lower lows, lower highs after the high in December. It broke out a few days ago, but has really just been sitting steadily at this 0.094 region. All right. I do think, here's what I think. I think across the board in January coming up, after this slow week of December, we're going to see a move in crypto. I do think that. We've seen that in the past 2 years. About the 4th or 5th of January, we see a pretty big move in crypto. I think it's going to be up. The reason I think it's going to be up in crypto is because everything I'm hearing is that January is going to be a good month. 2024 is going to be a good year in crypto. And we're not just making that up. You can see we're consistently making higher highs over the past 2 months. Okay, so we're seeing that across all coins in crypto, at least across all major coins. I do think at this point we're in a range with Doge. Okay, you can clearly see that we're just going sideways. I don't think there is much concern, even if price comes down to this level, this 0.086 or this level generally, I think it will be bought back up. I do think over time, in the next few weeks, crypto will go up and it will pull Doge up. Now, 2 things. One, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I look for patterns in the market that give me a probability of success. That means probability means it's sometimes it's going to work and sometimes it's not. But I do think we're looking strong because, look at the crypto market across the board. Even Bitcoin, like I just showed you, is resting near its highs of December, and it sat up there for several days, starting to challenge this 44,000 level, which is an important level for Bitcoin. If it can break that, it will start challenging. It won't go straight up, I don't think, although it very well could, but it will start challenging this 48,000. Doge, like I said, has been lagging just a little bit, but it's doubled in the past 2 months, so we can't really complain. One of my favorite coins, or one coin that I'm in, is ADA, and it's done about the same, and I've been perfectly happy with it. VET, another coin I like, it has had a run up. I've already showed you Solano. I haven't looked at Ethereum. It's kind of doing the same thing. It's already challenging its highs, its December highs. So everything in the crypto market is looking up. I do think Doge will also make a similar move once we break this kind of range that we're seeing toward the end of this year. So look for something higher. If you are in Doge, I think there's good times ahead. If you're not, now might be a good time to get in if you're looking at it for the long term. I don't know what the crypto market's going to do, but could we be at all-time lows even right now? Might we turn around at this time in 2024 and see that, wow, if we'd gotten in in 2023 toward the end, we would have been doing really well? Who knows? I've been in crypto for a while. There's a lot of ups and downs, but that's what I think will happen with Doge. I think soon, in the next couple of weeks, it will be moving higher. All right, I will keep you updated. Be sure to check back on all things crypto, and thanks for joining me.